Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Nuria. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create a table in Microsoft Access. Let's dive in. So to create a table you can click on create a new table. Click create and then table. Since I already have here, I will continue working on that. Now we have two types of views when it comes to table design in Microsoft Access. There is a design view and there is a datasheet view. Okay, so when we are designing, we will go to the design view. First, let me save this. Right click on it and save. So I will call this table as customer, and then now I will right click on this one to go to design view. So on design view we have one field which is by default it comes with when you create a table, by default you have an ID element. This is the primary key, which is used to identify each record uniquely. And as you can see here, we have data type. So each field will have a specific data type, and while the ID automatically is given auto number, if you want to you can change it. Now I will leave that one as it is. I will now add name, first name. This I will give it short text, and then last name, again short text. Then I will add here date of birth, DOB, short for date of birth. So here we can choose date and time. If you click on this one, you can see different types of data types. We have currency, number, and boolean type, yes or no, and many other data types. Even pictures you can include also. We have also a calculated field. This one is for doing calculation. Okay, so another thing I will add here is gender. So gender I will keep it as data type wizard. This one lookup wizard. So when you choose the lookup wizard, it will allow you to create different options. I want the lookup field to get the values from another table. Now I will type in. So I click and then next. Now I will add here male, and then the next tab female. That's it. Next. That's gender, finish. Now with this I will limit the number of fields to that. Save and then go to datasheet view. So this is the datasheet view. Now I have created a table called customer with four how many fields? With 5 fields. Now I can start entering a name here, Alex, and then Alex Jacob, maybe Jacob, and then date of birth. The time shows up here. You can set from here. For example, if I choose this one and then adjust the time, probably 2000. Gender. Now when you go to the gender, we have two options, male. Just set that. As I type in for the next employee or next customer, so let's say Halima, you can see the ID automatically changed. So because it's auto number, it automatically updates by itself. So Halima Abdu, and then I'll set the date of birth. Okay, let's say 2002, female. So that's it for table. Thank you for watching. Then you can save your table. You can add as many data as you want.